car is broken down. Something to do with traction system, and there is smoke and it's got no brakes. Not sure what Vauxhall will say about this. I don't know what to do now. Do I take off the battery? What do I do? There's a lot of smoke coming out. I really don't know what else to do here. Hello and welcome to Let's Go Electric, a channel dedicated to encouraging you to move from ICE vehicles to electric vehicles. What do we have today? Right. Today we've got my Vauxhall Corsa E that we got from Vauxhall on a lease in March 2021. The car had only covered 2,000 miles and it broke down on us. If you scroll on the Corsa and Mocha E Facebook website, you will see a lot of complaints breaking down and having different messages, and Vauxhall not too sure. The weird thing is, it's the same kind of message, but different parts are failing on this vehicle. So I'm hoping Vauxhall are going to improve going forward, really. They took this car from us for 3 months. And they kept the car, I know it was the time for COVID and lockdowns and the spare parts and the mechanic. At that time, there was only one mechanic in Peterborough that looked after electric vehicles, and he was off sick as well. So he didn't manage to have a look at the car until later on, the part that they wanted to buy. In the end, they changed the vacuum pump, which was the faulty part, and it was done under warranty as well. But apart from that, we've had the car now since. I was lucky that the car broke down on a Friday evening, and RAC came on the following day in the morning at 10 o'clock. They picked up the car and took it to Vauxhall, so I didn't have any issues there. Well, Vauxhall, as this car is their own car, it was done under warranty anyway, but they did manage to secure us a lease car, another car, whilst ours was in repair, and luckily they gave us also a electric car, which was also convenient for us because we were moving to electric vehicles. I didn't want any diesel or any petrol car as a courtesy car, so they were good enough to give me the green Mocha E, which was a fabulous car. I've got a video coming up on this car, how there's a video on the channel already about the 500-mile journey that we did on electric car. We are new on electric cars, but we are managing very well. I know at this moment in time, there's issues with energy prices, but still, what we are paying for our fuel and our charging at the minute is still absolutely less than what we'll pay in an ICE vehicle. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. There's more videos to come. I've got the car back now and it's behaving very well. Thank you.